Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel SRK Math Concepts. Today we will discuss arithmetic progressions for class 10th. See, arithmetic progressions. Consider a list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, and 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6, 7.5, so on. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, so on. Like that, a list of numbers consideration after. Observe that in this list of numbers, each one is called the term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. So, to obtain a second term, add 1 to first number or first term. To get this third term, add 1 to second term. To get this, add 1 to this term. So like that, a list of numbers are there. To obtain each term, add a fixed number to its preceding one to obtain any number or any term. So, to obtain any term, add a fixed term to its preceding one except the first term. So, one anyhow leave it. First term consider like that only. To get the second term, how much we are adding? 1 we are adding to first number. To obtain third term, again 1 adding to second term. Like that, a fixed number is added to get a term to its preceding one. We are obtaining the required number. Like that, list of numbers are there. That is called the arithmetic progression, and first term is denoted with a small letter A or A1, and the fixed number how much you are adding, that is called the common difference. Here observe, first term 1.5, second term is 3. To get this 3, I am adding 1.5 to first term. To get this 4.5, I am adding 1.5 to 3. To get 6, 1.5 add to 4.5. Like this, each term we are getting. Here see, 2, 2, 2, 2, all 2 only. To get this second term, how much I am adding? 0 adding, or you can feel that subtracting. To get this term, 0 add to this. To get this term, 0 add to this. Like that, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so on. To get this number, what should add here? Minus 1. To get this term, third term, add minus 1 to this. So, here we are adding minus 1 to get the required term except the first. Here what we are adding? 0 we are adding. Here 1.5 we are adding. Here 1 we are adding. So, the common difference, what I said common difference means to get the required term, add a fixed number to its preceding one. The fixed number is called the common difference, denoted by D. The D should be integer number or decimal or 0 or negative, not at all matter. Any number it should be. Okay. Once observe this point, definition is right now. Definition. A list of numbers. A list of numbers to obtain any term, add a fixed number to its preceding preceding number except first term. See, a list of numbers. To obtain any term, add a fixed number to its preceding number except the first term. Here term also you can consider, number also you can consider, it's not a matter. So, first term is denoted by the first term is denoted by A or A1 and the fixed number denoted by D and called as common difference. Common number is called the fixed number is called the common difference. So a list of numbers to obtain any term, add a fixed number to its preceding number except the first term. The first term is denoted by A or A1 and the fixed number denoted by D and called as the common difference. Note down, children. See, general form. General form. A first number, I am adding a common difference D. Again add this A plus D plus D. Again add A plus D plus D plus D. So on. So its simplest form was A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So on. This is the first term, term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, like that. If you observe carefully means, each and every term A is common. And the second term you observe means, how many times D is there? One time. Third term observe means D is there 2 times. Fourth term observe means D is there 3 times. Like that, suppose 10th term I am writing. 10th term. 10th term. See, A should write commonly. A plus. Third term, how many times D is there? 2 times. So 10th term means what? 9D. Okay. So general term. General term AN equals to. Suppose you want nth term, 5th, 6th, 7th, any term you want means A should write first. Which term you want, in that one you subtract means you will get the required number. See, 10th term 1, A plus 10 minus 1, 9D, like that. So this is called the general term. This is called the general form of AP. Okay, general form of AP and general term. See, finite arithmetic progression. Finite arithmetic progression means what? What progression you are taking in that number, terms or numbers should be a finite. For example, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. It's a finite arithmetic progression. Not only 6, 10, 20, 30, like that. A fixed number you take means there is a finite number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is called infinite arithmetic progression. Infinite arithmetic progression. This is the finite arithmetic progression. In this progression, last term what means 30. In this progression, last term means we cannot say. Not possible to say. Last term. Not possible to say last term. Here, last term is 30. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching.